Hello guys, this is Elle from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well, and in today's video I will give you a couple of tips on how to get more followers on Pinterest, like every day and every week, get more followers and also increase sales by organizing your boards, because you need to remember, guys, that people who visit your profile, it needs to be attractive, and also you need to make sure basically is making Pinterest users browsing on your profile for longer, and you make them click. And to be honest with you, not just have all over the place boards and a few pins there, and make sure it's organized and looks good. Let's start from designing tips. Let's say, like for example, you might need to have some covers. Make sure the covers you put on your boards complementing your brand, and they're similar to your brand or your website designing, rather than put some colors that are not complementing your brand, that does nothing have to do with your brand. And also make sure, if you have a Shopify shop, you need to make sure that when somebody visits your profile, you put the most relevant boards first. So for example, if you think about your Shopify shop as a small shop that somebody enters your shop, I see everything, and then decide to buy. That is the way that you need to think. So let's say you have in products, or you make like t-shirts, and then you have Halloween products. So you need to make sure you have boards that are more relevant to your products and services. And then inside, if you do group boards, make sure you have different sections. Of course, you can have boards for different seasons, sales, etc. Make sure you put them on the top, and then you put your group boards below. Those are tips that are working for years now for everyone. It's better if you have your own boards on the top and then the other one on the left. The group boards last. Now, if you come here, you see this little button. You can see here to sort your boards from alphabetical order, drag and drop, and last save to. So I use drag and drop because it's easy for me, to drag and put any board whatever I like. And as you know, boards is easy to be created. So the more you create content, the more boards you're gonna have. But if you have like 150 boards or 250 boards, and you don't get followers and you don't optimize them correctly, then you better optimize the boards and start minimize them. Don't have too many, to be honest with you. Just make sure everything is organized. Another tip is for you to make sure you follow new people every 2 to 3 months. And I follow, for example, clients from a Pinterest marketing services or students and some of their clients. So make sure you're following people that you can collaborate some way. You can they bought products for you, or you bought products for them, things that you are interested in, rather than just choosing random fake accounts or spammy accounts that send you message. So you want to really making collaborations and connections with people that are serious on Pinterest. Because if you really want to be an influencer of Pinterest, and grow a steady account, those are tips that have been working for everyone for years, and you should be following, because it's really easy to create boards and to grow. So make sure you organize your boards. And also the design is important, but the most important thing is for you to create content. So that's it for me today. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, and all the best, guys. Talk to you next week.